Hey, what's up everybody? Got another quick video for you. We got the 5.7 liter Mercury MerCruiser 2001 V8. Today we're just going to be changing the PC valve, which is this guy right here. You want to just double check that it is your PCV valve, because I do have another one that looks very similar on this side. However, this one is actually going to the spark arrestor, so we're going to leave that guy there. And this is my PCV going into that lower part of the carburetor there. So what you're going to want to do is just gently give this guy a little wiggle, just a little wiggle, and he should pop right out. We're going to go ahead and get that hose off. We got a brand new replacement here by Quicksilver, so just go ahead and make sure you're looking up the right part number for your application. Get that hose off, get it attached on here, and we're going to get her popped right back in. And you can hear this guy shaking in here, so one thing I'm going to do when I pull this off is give it a shake. And actually it's shaking okay, not as nice as the other one, so at least it's not stuck. But we're going to replace it anyways, cheap part. Preventative. All right, so we got the new one on there. One thing I should mention as well, you want to just check this grommet. Make sure there's not cracked, brittled anywhere. Make sure it's seated okay. Mine seems all right, so we're going to continue rolling with it for now. And yeah, so we're just going to pop this guy back in there. Bam. And we should be good to go. So thanks for watching. Go ahead and check out my other videos if you want to see anything else being done to this 5.7 liter MerCruiser. We got a new engine cable that's or new steering cable, excuse me, that's being installed. Currently I'm just waiting on a helm adapter for my wheel, and we're going to go ahead and get that job wrapped up. But in the meantime, I went ahead and put this PCV valve in. So go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, thanks for watching. Love to hear from you.